Hey guys, this is Tracy, and many of you have never even explored Canvas as a learning management system that you may want to try. So before we even get started with any other tutorials, I just want to introduce you to what it looks like, the icons and the interface. So let's get started. So in your NC Ed Cloud account, you need to click on the Canvas icon that is red. That will open your ABSS Canvas. And I want us to take a look at the icons that are listed down the left-hand side here. I'm going to start with Account. Of course, it should have your name there. And I want you to click on the Settings option. And then one thing that everybody needs to do, both staff and students, is to make sure that you kind of sync, or they call it register, your Google Drive account with Canvas, because it really just makes Google applications work more smoothly with Canvas. So you'll see here on this Other Services has all of these different accounts, and all you have to do is click on Google Drive and then select Authorize Google Drive Access. Select your account and then say Allow. And then it should show up on the left-hand side under Registered Services. So this again just makes linking information and pulling information from your Google account much easier within Canvas. Other than the other options here, profile, if you'd like to change your profile picture or add some information here, you can always click the Edit Profile button and do that. But that's about all I need to go over under Account. So looking at Dashboard, this is the screen that appears first when you open Canvas, and this is where you really want to see the courses that you are currently active in as a teacher or as a student. So that's really all you want to see on your dashboard. The other things that will be on your dashboard are to-do items over here on the right hand side, depending on the calendar dates and the assignments that you've created. And then it gives you the option here to see what's coming up for the next week and to view your calendar there. So how do we determine what is on our dashboard? And that takes us to the next icon, which is Courses. So when you click Courses, it shows you what's on your dashboard at the top, but then just beneath there it says All Courses. So if you click there, you will see a list of all the courses that you are involved, either as a student, a teacher, a designer, whatever role you may be involved in Canvas. You'll see the courses listed there. Now, the way you determine what shows up on your dashboard every time you log in is simply the little star that's over here to the left of each course. So if I click on the star, then it either colors it or takes the color away. The colored stars are the ones that are going to show up automatically on my dashboard. So that's how you can click and customize your dashboard. Okay. The next icon is Groups. Probably you're only going to have the Graham High group there. There's really nothing more to that. Calendar. This is a quick way to access your calendar. Once you start creating assignments and assigning due dates to those assignments and quizzes, then they will automatically populate on your calendar. And the calendar feature is one of the favorite items of Canvas, because if you create an assignment in Canvas and set a due date, then all you have to do, and it shows up the different colors here, these colors align with the colors that are on my dashboard for the courses here. Do you see the different colors? So on my calendar, then whatever the color for the course is, the little box on my calendar shows up as that color as well. And it's spinning. There we go. All right, so let's say that I have created this assignment, and you can see here that this is my purple is my second block, and second block just is having a hard time getting things done, or they're behind a little bit. I don't even have to go in and edit that assignment to change the due date. All I have to do is click on this particular assignment and drag it to another day, and it changes the due date for me. It is so super easy. That's one of my favorite features about the calendar. And then inbox, students can send you messages, kind of like an email message, directly to your Canvas inbox. I don't use that a great deal because students primarily use email. And then right below there is Commons. Commons is an area that you can pull content from all kinds of different ways. And so Commons is really a tutorial in itself. So I'm not going to go into a great deal, but you can find quizzes, assignments, entire courses, modules of courses, and you don't even... And if you decide that you want to use something from the Commons area and import it into your course, you can pick and choose what you select to go into your course. You don't have to import an entire course and use that entire course. You can just use different elements from it. But I'll do another tutorial on the Commons itself. And then finally, down at the bottom, the Help. This icon takes you directly to, maybe if you're a student in a course, you want to ask your instructor a question, or this is probably the most useful, Search the Canvas Guides. If I click on Search the Canvas Guides, it takes me to an external site, and this is a great resource. There's a student guide, there's instructors, there's downloadable instructions in PDF format, all kinds of things there for you, and all kinds of additional guides that you can see. So basically, that's just the beginning part of Canvas and what it looks like and what each icon does down the side. And hopefully we can talk more about making Canvas work in your classroom. Thanks. Bye.